Hello folks, Anand again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy your static website in the Amazon Web Service S3 storage. So what I did, I bought a domain from Google Domains. So the domain name is worksempire.com. So this is a domain I bought it from the Google domains. So but the thing is, this domain is not online. It's not public. So what I'm going to do, this is my local application I just built using React.js. So this is like a plain React.js project, like a single page application, just like a dummy application. This is running on my local. So this is the actual source code you can see over here. I just ran the npm start. So I need to run the npm build to produce the production version of the static content. So once I have the production static content, then I will deploy this to the AWS S3 so that whatever the domain I bought will be online. So that's the goal I'm going to try in this video. And this is my first video in this first YouTube channel. It's a new YouTube channel I just created. So I'm going to continue to make some videos moving forward if you guys like encourage me. Okay, cool. So we got the domain, we have the static content local application, and we already sign up with the AWS. So this is the AWS console. So to go to the S3, just type S3. Click the service and then type S3. S3 is the scalable storage in the cloud. So now we will see everything. I already created two buckets, so we need to create two buckets. One is both of them should be like with the domain name, but one with www and the other without www dot. So that's what I did. So I will show you how I created this bucket. So let me delete this first, so that I will show you how I created this bucket, so that you guys can easily create it as well. So www.worksempire.com. So now I just deleted. So there are no buckets here. So I'm gonna create it again. So click the create bucket and then give the name. So the name should be same as your domain name. So the domain name what I bought from Google Domains is worksempire.com. So I should use the same one. The region I'm gonna choose US instead of Canada. So I'm gonna use US East and click next, next, create bucket. That's it, pretty simple. And now we need to create one more bucket, but this bucket should have the www dot whatever the domain name you have. So again, worksempire.com. Same thing, region to US East, and click next, create bucket. Cool, awesome. So we created these two, but so can you go and check it? No, it won't work because we didn't do anything. We just created buckets from the AWS. This is private, right? This is within the AWS, but we need to make it as public. So to make it as public, we need to go to the permission, and in the permission you can see block all public access. So this is blocked. So what I need to do, click edit over here and uncheck the block all public access and then click save. So now it will ask you to confirm. Type just confirm and then click confirm. That's it. And now we made this as public. So now our bucket worksempire.com is public now. It's not simply making public will make your website online. No, not again. So this time what we have to do, we have to add some bucket policy. This is the bucket policy. So click on the bucket policy, scroll down, click the policy generator. So it will open a new tab. So choose S3 bucket policy as the type of policy, and effect allow principal to star makes sense, like all, and then AWS services Amazon S3, that's correct. And actions, we need to get the object from the bucket. So we need to choose the get object action, and ARR number, which is Amazon resource number, you can find it from your bucket. So this is the ARR number over here. Just copy this, then go back and paste it. That's it. Now click the add statement. So we added the statement. Now we need to generate the policy. You click the generate policy button, and this is it. But here you gotta add one thing. You need to add /star, means in this bucket the resources, this is the bucket name, but we are adding all the items within this bucket. So resources, and then we are allowing. So now copy this entire policy and go back here and paste it over here. That's it. Now click the save button. Now we have saved our policy. So this bucket has public access. You have provided public access to this bucket. Cool. So this is bucket number 1, and but it's not at a hosting site though. So to make it as a web hosting site, click on the properties and static website hosting. So this is disabled, so we need to enable this. So what you have to do, we need to choose this, use this bucket to host a website. So choose this. Index.html document is the entry point. So mostly all the websites will have index.html as their entry point. I'm going to use the same index.html for error as well, and then click save. So we are done with our first bucket, worksempire.com. So this is the actual bucket. It's going to contain our source code, right? So to have the source code, what we have to do, we have to click the overview over here and then click the upload, right? So what we are going to do, whatever the production version, so I have run the production command. So this is the build folder which contains all my production version of the application. You can see the index.html here, all the stuff. So I'm going to upload this content to here. So to do that, click the upload button, and we just need to drag and drop. So what I have to do, I need to go to the location, which is here, and this is the location under build folder. Control A, choose everything, and then drag and drop over here. That's it. And click the upload button, so it will upload everything. So it's uploading. Cool. The upload is successful now. So this worksempire bucket has all our resource, the static content, and this is public. But the problem is it is not available in the website. So because people will type www.worksempire.com, not simply worksempire.com. So what we are going to do, we are going to redirect the www.worksempire to the worksempire.com bucket. So click this second bucket name, do the same stuff, click the permissions, click edit, uncheck the block all public access, click save, type confirm, say this is fine. The same thing with the bucket policy, scroll down, click the policy generator, choose S3 bucket policy, allow principal as star, and action as get object. Here we go. And ARR number, again the similar stuff, just go back here, copy the ARR number here, go back here, paste it, click the add statement and click the generate policy, and add the /star and copy the policy and paste it over in your bucket policy, and click save. That's it. So we made this, but this guy, we don't need to keep the content. So what we are going to do, we're still going to enable the static website. So choose this one, but instead of use this bucket to host a website, we are going to redirect this request to our worksempire.com bucket. So this is what we're going to do, and that's it. So what will happen? So whenever people are typing www.worksempire.com, this bucket does not have the web content, so it will redirect to the first bucket, whatever has the web content. So both of them are public now. Okay, can we test? Is it available? No, it won't be available again. Wait with that. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to make this do some routing configuration. To do the routing configuration, we have to go to the AWS 5.3 routing console. So this is the console. So log into the 5.3 console. Here we go, and this is the route 5.3. You can also search the same thing over here, route 5.3. All right, so click it. I already have a zone. Let me delete this zone so that I can show you guys how we can do it. Before that, we need to delete everything. Blah blah blah. Okay. I'm just cleaning up. Never mind about this. And that's it. And go back to this one. Choose this guy. This is my old stuff, so I don't want to show you guys. Okay, so this is the route 53, right? So click on the hosted zones. So we don't have any zones. So what we have to do, click the create hosted zones. To land over here, you have no hosted zones. So click again. So now it will ask you for the domain name. The domain name I bought from Google is worksempire.com. So copy this worksempire.com, paste it over there, and that's it. So keep it public. Over here, click the create here. That's it. So you can see the NS namings, lookup servers, list of servers, SPA. So we need to create two record set. So one is for the worksempire.com without www. You remember we have two buckets, worksempire.com and www.worksempire.com. So I will leave it blank here. Let it the type as IP v4 address. Choose the alias as S, and then you can see over here the bucket name whatever we created in the S3, so which is worksempire.com. So I'm going to choose this as an alias target, and routing policy is simple. Just click create. That's it. And the next record I'm going to create for the www.worksempire.com. The same stuff, type as IP v4 address, and click the alias, and target as this bucket www.worksempire.com, and routing policy as simple, and click create. That's it. So now we have everything. So can we go and try? Everything is there. Will it be wrong? No, it won't again, because you need to register these 4 NS servers over here to your domain provider. If you bought your domain from GoDaddy, you need to go and configure there. In my case, I bought it from the Google's domain. So go to the Google domains, and this is the worksempire.com domain space. So click the DNS. So you will see the name server. So this is using Google's domain name servers. So what I'm gonna do, I choose the custom name servers, which is my Amazon servers names, right? So pasting over here, and let me add one by one. So what I'm gonna do, just add one by one. So I have 4 servers. So I'm gonna add one by one. That's it. So click save. Cool. So now, can we test it? We'll test it. No, it's not working again. What I'm missing here? So we can choose one save record. We choose alias. Save record. Okay, back to hosted stuff. This should be fine. So before that, let's go to this. Go here. Let's click on the properties. Let's go here. Here we go. It's working. So why this is not working? Yeah, it's working. Yeah. Okay, cool. So here we go, guys. So finally, we're able to WorksEmpire, our beautiful WorksEmpire.com. So this is my local. As I mentioned, this is up and running. This is online. So, and let me go to google.com. Let's type worksempire.com. Here we go. So worksempire.com, website creator using Create React app, and click it. Here we go. Click login, post jobs, what we want to do. That's it. So thank you very much for watching. So we made our very first static content online in AWS S3. So thank you very much. If you guys like, please feel free to comment and share or like what we want to do. Thank you very much.